Hiya, welcome to another video. We're going to be doing a demonstration of the Shark cordless 300 vacuum cleaner. I keep forgetting the model number of it. I'll get it in a minute. I have to read the box. Right, as you can see, if I show you here now, oops, you can see there's a lot of mess on the floor there. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to angle the camera the best I can here and pick up that mess. Right, and let me find the model number. Yes, it's an ICZ300UKT, which is a cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so this is the machine. So you put your foot on there to release it. You've got your battery in, which goes in here, and then I'm going to take the little cover off here. I can get the cover off. Oh, I can't get the cover off. No, I'm going to have to sit down for this. My sticker's on there really well. There we go. I've got it. There's a little lip. There you go, sticker's off. So I've got my display. So for demonstration purposes, I've accidentally spilt some of my wife's rice. I accidentally spilt it, so we can test it. There's different settings on this Shark, so I'll try it on eco mode first, and then and we'll see how it picks up, and we'll go for the modes. Too badly on the eco mode. That noise you can hear obviously is the fins. Medium now. Go. Very maneuverable. I can swing it this way and that way. So that was on eco and medium. There is a turbo setting on it, which is it's going to make it harder to push on a carpeted floor. But this is quite a new carpet, and I have to say that I haven't had a problem pushing it. It's lighter than my Shark upright mains powered one, which is the 850 model. So far, this could become a replacement vacuum cleaner for the upright in the house. So the display obviously is digital, which if we just get this and show you. So this display obviously show it the power, the on button, on and off, suction power, and carpet or hard floor. Yeah. Right. Well, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll look at doing some more demonstrations and reviews, but before we do close the video off, just look at that there. I mean, look, this carpet wasn't that dirty really, because it hadn't long been vacuumed, but it just goes to show that it really has sucked up fluff and hair, so it's done a good job. The brush roll is completely clear. You can see the front of it. There's no hair in there at all, so the anti-hair wrap technology has really worked well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll look at doing some more demonstration videos with Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, but also as well I'm also going to look at comparing it with my mains powered upright and see if there is any difference in suction. Personally, this one at the moment is the versatility of this is going to be very good, because you don't have a cable, so there's no restrictions. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.